Also press this bell icon.
Para lumabas sa kahon. Huwag mo na ipagpabukas ang magagawa ngayon. Kung nais may mangyari, kumilos ka't gumalaw. Sikaping mahawakan ang iyong tinatanaw. Kaya ang mapigilan ng mga humahadla. Gawing makapuluhan ng iyong para lumabas sa pangarap ay yan.
Our vitamin C falls under sodium ascorbate. So, if you notice, it says Immuvit-Zinc. There is a component outside of the ascorbate, sodium ascorbate, there is a component of zinc. And this is very important. As a matter of fact, during the discussion between me and the president, we emphasize that we have to put zinc because it aids more in the cutting off of inflammatory process. And so these are advantages of our Immuvit-C. Number one, when you say vitamin C, it is the mother of all vitamins, actually. Mother of all vitamins. Hindi ako yung mother, yung vitamin C. Okay? Number one effect niyan, immune system booster. What do you mean by that? Vitamin C is number one in trying to boost your immune system. Kahit wala pang ibang vitamins, ang mga tao ay alam na alam nung araw pa yung vitamin C. Okay? Number two, lagi yun ang iniinom kung may common colds and cough. Okay? Pag may cough, bata o matanda, sabihin, ay, uminom ka ng vitamin C. So that time, previous ages, decades, it is more of ascorbic acid, but this time, it is now sodium ascorbate. Number three, it aids in wound healing. So kung may sugat, pag wala naman diabetes, ang dali ng healing pag meron vitamin C. Number four, it aids in the collagen production. So, vitamin C is even incorporated in beauty products. Kaya magaganda na bihira ka na ngayon makakita ng puno ng tigidig ang mukha ng mga babae kung hindi sila mapuputi, makikinis ang balat. Because of the incorporation of vitamin C, which is also added into the production of collagen. Number five, vitamin C aids in the production, in the absorption of iron, so that you will not have iron deficiency. Number six, it acts as an antioxidant to protect our cells from radical damages. What are these radical damages? Ang mga radical damages na ito, free radicals you call it, pollution, lifestyle natin, smoking, liquor, taking a lot of wine, you know. Ano pa ba? Maraming lifestyle tayo na hindi, it's not really very good to our daily lives. So, when you have all these free radical damages, madaling magkasakit ang tao, and that we need vitamin C to avoid chronic diseases. And when you take the appropriate amount of vitamin C, one is prevented from getting a lot of sickness. May kasabihan nga, an ounce of prevention is better than a pound of cure. Okay? Then vitamin C helps reduce high blood pressure. If you notice, there is always the word helps, aid. It does not say that vitamin C will cure high blood pressure. It doesn't work that way. It always aids, you know. Because when you say the word supplements, meaning you take substances that would supplement your diet because we cannot eat all that is being required in our diet. Especially this time, may kamahalan ang mga pagkain. We cannot consume all the veggies, we cannot consume all the fruits because of the price cost. But again, we can have the supplements of vitamin C. Next, vitamin C may lower the risk of heart disease. Yes. Why? Because it will strengthen the heart muscles. When you have a very good immune system, you are not easily attacked by all these free radical damages. Next, vitamin C may reduce uric acid levels that can prevent gout and arthritis. Well, a lot of people have already arthritis. Say for one, I'm an example. I have a arthritis on my knee. But because with the advent of vitamin C, very rare would I feel such pain because vitamin C aid in the anti-inflammatory effect. Arthritis, when you say the word itis, it means inflammation. Like appendicitis, inflammation of the appendix. Arthritis, uh, tonsillitis, So when it is itis, there is always an inflammation. What does vitamin C? What is the function of vitamin C? It aids in the anti-inflammatory effect, inflammation. Okay? Vitamin C aids in the maintenance of cartilages, bones, and teeth. So again, for those who are aging, not even very old people, there are people who have already arthritis at the age of 30s, right? Even lower than 30s. Why? Cartilages, broken bones, cartilages. Now, vitamin C aids in the production of and maintenance of cartilages, bones, and teeth. If you are well supplied by good vitamin C, I think you can maintain good teeth and bones. By the way, as of my age, I still don't wear a false teeth. I still have all the natural teeth. So, charge to vitamin C and calcium for that matter. Number 12, it prevents scurvy and gingivitis. Vitamin C is always associated with scurvy. In the olden times, the common disease of sailors, seamen, are scurvy. Why? They're always in the sea. They could not eat the right, proper food, nutrients like taken from veggies and fruits. So they develop vitamin C. So immediately, it is associated, lack of vitamin C is associated with scurvy. Okay? And these are the lack of nutrients from veggies and food, which will be seen in the gums. And here, we also have another disease, a slight disease, gingivitis, bleeding of the gums, inflammation of the gums, and loosening of the teeth. And when it is worst, that is what you call loosening of the teeth. Everything has to be pulled out, and that is scurvy. Okay? Not on the list, but not the least, because I missed it. Vitamin C is a strong factor. I will emphasize on this. A strong factor in aiding in the cure of cancer. Okay. In our practice, there are two kinds of doctors now. We have the Eastern and the Western medicine. When you say the Eastern, ito yung mga meds na mga organics na iniinom natin, mga food supplements. When you say Western medicine, ito yung mga drugs na being prescribed by doctors, and this one are being manufactured by pharmaceuticals. The difference between the two is this. I came from pharmaceuticals for almost 20 years. When the product is manufactured by pharmaceuticals, they exhibit side effects. Why I knew about this is because as a drug agent, a legal drug pusher, not illegal, ethical products we push to the doctors, we educate the doctors on how to take the products. We tell them how to give it, the dosage, and all administration. But we rarely discuss the side effects. However, every drugs that is being manufactured by pharmaceutical industries, there are always side effects. With the organics, it is consumable. They are all organics, walang mga chemical, hindi kailangan ang prescription ng doctor. We just give it. Kasi ang word na supplement, sinusupplement yung mga nutrients na hindi natin nakakain sa lahat na pagkain because we cannot afford to eat all. Like for example, discussing on the sources of vitamin C, hindi lahat natin makakain sa whole day. So it is easier, it is more complacent, it is more fast to just take the capsule, vitamin C in capsule form. Now, regarding the cure for cancer, there is what you call the integrative practice. It is a combination of the Eastern and the Western medicine. They are doctors of medicine, but practicing another, what you call this, it is a combination of old school of thoughts, the Eastern and the Western. And so these are the doctors who believe in prescribing food supplements. The conventional doctors, they do prescribe vitamins only, which are manufactured by pharmaceuticals. Whereas the integrative practice, the doctors practicing integrative practice, they make a lot of use of organic supplements because the organic supplements tries to find out the root causes of the diseases. And when you supply the supplements, rarely we can experience mga side effects, unlike when it is given as a drug prescribed as vitamins. Say for example, the integrative practice, itong high doses of vitamin C is being mixed in dextrose form. It looks like a dextrose and is being injected into cancer patients at high doses, liquid form. If you are not a cancer patient, kahit ordinary patient ka, we go into such practice as chelation therapy. Vitamin C is highly recommended to start the program. Like me, for instance, I have this program in the chelation therapy. It's composed of 8 sessions. The first session that I get is, they call it high C. It is a high mixture of vitamin C. The next session is Prog C, which means it is a high doses of vitamin C and other B-complex vitamins. And when I wanted to lower my cholesterol, they have another session liquefied again. It is mixed with vitamin C and plus some cholesterol agents to lower down cholesterol in form. They call it plaque X. They call it chelation therapy, liquefied, but majority of which are liquefied vitamin C. Much more, that is the current and the latest treatment of alternative healing doctors, particularly those who have cancer of the breast, lungs, liver, and mind you, it gives them a very good result. So vitamin C is the culprit of all vitamins.